This question ABCD is a rhombus with side length 13.6 centimeters. Angle ABC is 41 degrees. BAC is a sector of a circle with center B and DAC is a sector of a circle with center D. Calculate the shaded area. So in a rhombus, you need to remember that all sides are equal, which means all these lengths are going to be 13.6 as well. Secondly, in a rhombus, opposite angles are equal, which means this angle is also going to be 41 degrees. So now that we have our rhombus properties sorted, let's divide the shape into two equal parts. So when you divide this, I'm going to draw this triangle over here. A, B, C. This angle is given as 41. This length is 13.6 and this length is 13.6. They have asked us to calculate the area of the shaded region. So I'm going to start with calculating the area of this triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC is going to calculate using the formula of 1 over 2 AB sine of angle C. This formula is used when we have a non-right angle triangle. And in that non-right angle triangle, we need to have two lengths and the angle between them. This triangle meets the conditions. Hence, we're going to use this formula to find the area of this triangle. So 1 over 2 times 13.6 square times sine of angle 41. When we solve that, what we get is 60.67 centimeters square. Now, this is the area of triangle ABC. Now, let's move on to the triangle DAC. Now, triangle DAC is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC. Hence, area of triangle ADC is going to be the same as the area of triangle ABC, which is 60.67 centimeters square. So now that we have figured out the area of the triangles, let's talk about the sectors now. So we have a sector BAC and we have a sector DAC. So area of sector BAC, the formula that we're going to use to find the area of sector BAC is going to be theta over 360 times pi r square. The angle is 41. So 41 over 360 times pi, and r square is going to be 13.6 square, which is the radius of the sector. 66.18 centimeter square. Once again, sector BAC is also similar to sector DAC. So area of sector DAC is also going to be 66.18 centimeter square. Okay. So if we look at this rhombus and we divide it into two parts, we can see that in the triangle ABC, we have this part of the sector from the sector DAC. And the triangle ADC, we have the part of sector BAC. If we remake the sector BAC, it's going to be this is what we have. BAC 13.6, 13.6 and 41. We know the area of the sector. we know the area of the triangle. If we subtract the two, what we get is this region. So I'm going to do area of the triangle from the area of the sector. So that's going to be 66.18 minus 60.67, which will give us 5.51 centimeter square. To get the area of this part, which is over here, I will do 5.51 times 2, because we have two parts over here, this part and this part, which is going to give us 11.02 centimeters square. Now to find the area of the shaded region, I will subtract 11.02 centimeters square from the area of the rhombus. Area of rhombus is going to be area of rhombus is going to be 60.67 times 2, which was the area of the triangle. So we add up the areas of the two triangles, and that's going to give us 121.34 centimeters square. So if we subtract this region, the white region, from the area of the rhombus, we get the shaded part. So shaded area is going to equal to 121.34 minus 11.02, just 110.34 centimeters square. This is your shaded area. So to summarize it, first what we did was we first split the rhombus into two equal triangles. We found the area of the triangle using the formula 1/2 AB sine C. Then we realized that the area of the other triangle would also be the same area, so it's going to be 60.67. So when we add up these two areas, we get the area of the rhombus, which is over here. Then what we do is we find the area of the sectors. So area of the sector BAC is going to be found using the formula theta over 360 times pi r square. Theta is 41, r is 13.6. So we find the area of the sector BAC. Now area of the sector DAC is also going to be the same as BAC. So both of them have the value of 66.18. Once we have figured all of that out, we try to find the area of this unshaded part, the one that I've colored with blue. So what we do is we subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the sector, and that gives us the white part. We multiply that area by 2 because there are two white parts. So 5.51 times 2 will give us 11.02. And this area lastly will be subtracted from the area of the rhombus to get the shaded region, which is 110.34 centimeters square. And that is your answer.